Well, thank you, Andy, and thank you, everybody. As we celebrate the important progress that we've made on broadband, we're also reminded of the long and challenging road still ahead to achieve broadband's full promise and potential. As Chairman Clyburn reminded us, it's about connecting communities, and we have to personalize this. And we have to be able to tell that story of that young girl in an inner city low-income apartment building who, when connected, can reach a hand across a keyboard and access the same universe of knowledge as a child in the most affluent suburb. We have to be able to tell that story of broadband as an opportunity equalizer, as a learning accelerator, as an engine for lifting up communities and bringing us together. We need to take on this challenge, and we need to lift up the torch of progress. The future is now up to us, this family, our family, to carry this work forward, to make sure everyone in the U.S. has access to reliable high-speed broadband and the skills to maximize its use. Because I think, as Chairman Clyburn was telling us, broadband isn't about just connecting computers to the internet or the information superhighway. It's really about connecting people to opportunity, connecting communities to progress, and connecting society to bigger solutions. So thank you for helping us celebrate 40 years of protecting democratic values and championing our communications future that works for everybody. To end our program, we want to hear from Senator Edward Markey, who himself has long been a communications policy champion, but he's got some happy birthday and anniversary messages for us today. Senator Markey, take it away.
Hello, I'm Senator Edward J. Markey. Happy 75th birthday to Andrew J. Schwartzman. And happy birthday and 40th anniversary to the Benton Institute for Broadband and Society. I appreciate your inviting me to participate in this celebration. Andy has led a truly influential career, and we are all so grateful for his hard work in public interest communications law. He is a policy leader. He is a mentor. He is a steadfast advocate for consumers. He has been a visionary in this field. And the work that Andy and the Benton Institute do to promote broadband access for all is critically important. And I appreciate your partnership on these pressing issues. The coronavirus pandemic has highlighted more than ever how essential broadband is to the future of American education, jobs, and medical care. Yet as many as 42 million Americans still lack access to high-speed internet. Today, about 4 in 10 adults with incomes below $30,000 do not have home broadband services, or a desktop, or a laptop computer. And by comparison, each of these technologies is nearly ubiquitous amongst adults in households earning $100,000 or more a year. So it's clear that the adoption gap exists because broadband is simply unaffordable for far too many lower-income households, which disproportionately include Black, brown, immigrant, rural, and other vulnerable communities. These disadvantaged populations are being denied the equalizing opportunities of broadband service in the 21st century. That is a national tragedy, and it is particularly tragic for the children in our country. Across the United States, 12 to 17 million students have lacked the home internet connectivity and devices they have needed to participate in distance learning or complete their homework after class. And that's why, over the past 40 years, the Benton Institute has worked tirelessly to bring open, affordable, high-performance broadband to all of the people in the United States. The Benton Institute has provided resources to advocates for broadband and broadband for everyone. And it has helped to spearhead the movement to end the digital divide. In the 2000s, the Benton Institute created the Digital Divide Network to bring attention to the problem of unequal access to technology by sharing news, research, and data. And in the following decade, Benton supported legal and policy experts and it provided resources to educate the public about broadband's promise to deliver education, health care, and economic opportunity to everyone. Most recently, Benton has worked to establish a national agenda for universal broadband to chart a path forward for our country. We have accomplished a lot, but our work is nowhere near complete, and I am committed to the cause of closing the digital divide. And as my colleagues in Congress and I continue our efforts, we're going to need the vision of the Benton Institution, the vision of Andrew J. Schwartzman by our side. And I know you'll be there with the expertise, the leadership that you are so well known for. Happy birthday, Andy! And again, to the Benton Institute, congratulations on your 40th anniversary, and I look forward to so many more years of partnership. Just love you, Andrew. Absolutely the best. Thank you, and see you all soon.
Well, thank you, Senator Markey, and absolutely the best is absolutely right. And what I would love to do, there's nothing sweeter than enjoying a little birthday wishes and happy birthday cake. So I'd like to ask Carrie Furness to come up, Adrian's daughter. Here we go, and help us lead on a happy birthday song.
Hi, thanks to my mom for inviting me up here. Happy birthday to Andy and happy birthday to the Benton Institute. All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andy. Happy birthday to you.
Some of you know that I try to maintain a low-carb diet courtesy of the practice. But this is good reason to tell Dr. Atkins he can shove it.
So we flip-flopped the event. There is so much food and booze upstairs. Please join us and allow everyone to talk to each other. And thanks again for coming out, everyone. Really appreciate it. Thanks.